Hello everyone, this is our freeze dryer of Dinesh Scientific. This is the main machine with touch control panel. This is vacuum pump of the machine. This is acrylic jar. There are some accessories given with the freeze dryer, 2 trays and 1 sheet to place the tray. This is our control panel to operate the freeze dryer. This is for product temperature and this is for vacuum and this is compressor chamber temperature. From this we have to on compressor, and if we want to operate vacuum, then we have to press this button. There are few options given. History, in history we can check data, and there is USB port given to take data in USB. First of all, we have to freeze our sample in this chamber. First of all, we have to place this tray inside this chamber like this, and we have to put our sensor on the tray near sample, and after that close the top. Then we have to start compressor, and our sample started for freezing. After freezing, we have to open this top and put this sample out from the chamber and place this on the top of the. We have to place like this. After that we can place our sample stand and place the tray. After that we can use our acrylic jar for vacuum. Put it like this. Now the whole process completed. After that we have to use vacuum. We have to press this button for vacuum, and our sample will be started for. It is very simply to operate. Thank you. Have a nice day.